Next topic is particle nature. Particle nature of electron. First topic, black body radiations. Okay, what is black body radiations? When solids are heated, what happen? They emit the radiation over a long range. When an iron bar is heated, it becomes red, then it becomes brighter orange, then yellow and white, again finally it becomes blue. Okay, when an iron bar is heated in a furnace, it emits the radiations of different wavelength. First, it emits the radiation for red, then it converts into blue. What happens in this condition? When metal surface is heated, it emits the radiation which goes from higher wavelength to lower wavelength. So what is the black body? Black body is an ideal body when emits all radiations and absorb all radiations which have different wavelength. So what is the black body? An ideal body which emits and absorbs radiation of all wavelength is called the black body radiation. Black body radiation is best absorber and best emitter and best absorber. The black body emits all radiations and absorb all radiations, all wavelength of the radiation. So it is called the black body radiation, which is best absorber and best emitter. When curve is plotted between intensity and wavelength, when temperature is increased T1, when temperature is increased, intensity is increased. T2 is greater than T1. Intensity is increased but wavelength is decreased. Clear? So its black body radiation is best emitter and best absorber. Now second point is photoelectric effect. What is the second point? Second point is photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Let's see. This is the metal surface. When radiations of the suitable light fall and strike on the metal surface, it ejected electrons. This is the glass tube, okay, metal surface, metal sheet and we joined with a electron. When electrons are ejected, what happens in this condition? This photoelectric effect explained by the Hertz. When light of certain frequency strike on the metal surface, electrons are ejected continuously. This phenomena is called the photoelectric effect, and these electrons are called the photoelectron. These electrons called the photoelectrons. तो what is photoelectric effect? The phenomena of ejection of electrons when suitable frequency of the light is struck on its, the electrons are called the photoelectrons. Now, cesium, rubidium, potassium, these metals of large size eject electron easily when in group from top to bottom. Size is increased and ionization enthalpy is decreased. Cesium ejected easily electron, so it is used in photovoltaic cell, and this is called the photoelectric effect. Now, what is the Planck equation? It's clear. Photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is explain the particle nature of the electron. Now, further it is explained by Planck's quantum theory. What is the Planck theory? According to Planck, E equal to h mu, E equal to h c upon lambda. So what is the quantum theory? The quantum of radiation energy is proportional to the frequency of light. E is proportional to the frequency of the light. Okay. So this photoelectric effect explained by the Planck scientist. Radiant energy is not emitted or absorbed continuously, but discontinuously in the form of a small packet of energy is called the quanta. What is quanta? Radiant energy and not emitted or absorbed continuously but discontinuously. Their photons packet are coming in discontinuously, but this is very fast, and a small packet of energy is called the quanta, and in case of light the quantum of energy is called the photon. Clear all of you? The quantum of energy is called the photon. The photoelectric effect explained by Planck equation. And what is the Planck equation? E equal to h mu. What is h? H is the Planck constant, and what is mu? Mu is the frequency. Now it's enough for today class. Then thank you. Have a nice day.